Welcome back to Driveline, where today we bring you a story of strength, presence, and performance. The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse RS has finally stepped into the spotlight, not just as a family SUV, but as a bold statement of American power and modern sophistication. This is not the same Traverse you knew before. This is the RS, reborn to blend athletic design with advanced technology and commanding road presence. Exterior design, where power meets sportiness. The 2026 Traverse RS immediately grabs attention with its wide, muscular stance and bold RS-specific design elements. Up front, a black mesh grille with an RS badge dominates the fascia, flanked by sharp LED headlamps and aggressive daytime running lights. The lower bumper is sculpted with a sport-inspired finish, giving the SUV a performance edge. From the side, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels and darkened trims emphasize the athletic RS character. The silhouette is sleek yet muscular, with a slightly lowered profile compared to the standard model, making it look ready to pounce at any moment. At the rear, LED tail lamps, a gloss black spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets amplify its sporty DNA. The Traverse RS is no longer just a people mover, it's a performance statement. Engine and performance SUV with a punch. Under the hood, the 2026 Traverse RS is expected to feature Chevrolet's 2.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, tuned for more aggressive performance in the RS variant. With output figures reaching around 315 horsepower and 325 lb-ft of torque, this SUV delivers power that matches its looks. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, the Traverse RS offers strong acceleration, precise handling, and confidence on multiple terrains. Chevrolet has also tuned the suspension system to balance comfort with sharper handling, ensuring that the RS badge isn't just cosmetic. It delivers a genuinely sportier drive. Interior, a driver-focused sport lounge. Step inside, and the Traverse RS greets you with a cockpit that screams performance and luxury combined. Black leather upholstery with red contrast stitching, RS embroidery, and sporty accents set the tone. The flat-bottom steering wheel enhances the driver-focused environment, while aluminum pedals add to the athletic vibe. At the center, a massive 17.7-inch infotainment display dominates the dashboard, paired with an 11-inch digital driver cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system ensure tech and entertainment are always at your fingertips. Second and third-row passengers aren't left out either. With spacious seating and multiple charging points, the Traverse RS blends family practicality with sporty excitement. Safety and technology, advanced and intelligent. The 2026 Traverse RS doesn't just rely on style and performance. It's packed with Chevrolet's latest safety and driver assist features. Standard equipment includes Chevy Safety Assist Suite with automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. Surround vision with a 360-degree camera system. Super Cruise hands-free driving technology. Available on select trims. Advanced traction and stability systems to handle tough road conditions. Chevrolet ensures that the Traverse RS is just as safe for your family as it is thrilling for the driver. Why the Traverse RS 2026 matters. In a market crowded with sporty SUVs, the Chevrolet Traverse RS 2026 makes a clear statement. Style, performance, and practicality can coexist. It's not just about moving people anymore. It's about moving them with power, excitement, and confidence. Whether you see it as a family SUV with a performance edge or a sporty crossover with space to spare, the Traverse RS positions itself as a bold competitor against the likes of the Ford Explorer ST and Kia Telluride X Pro. Final thoughts. The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse RS proves that Chevrolet is listening to what modern SUV buyers want. Sporty design, advanced tech, and thrilling performance without sacrificing practicality. It's the most dynamic Traverse yet, and it just might become the SUV that redefines expectations for families who crave excitement behind the wheel. This isn't just an SUV. This is the Traverse RS 2026. Bold, powerful, and ready to dominate the roads.